Now we will learn to read more words with long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Let's take a look at the first board. C-A-R-E. C-A-R. And remember, letter E is silent. Care. Care has a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at the next board. C-A-R. C-A-R. Car. Car has a short vowel sound. Now we have letter U. These are the words that begin with letter U. U says as in umbrella. Where's that umbrella? Umbrella begins with short vowel sound. U says as in under. Where's the word under? Under begins with short vowel sound. There are two children under the table. U-N-D-E-R. Under. U says as in underground. Where's the underground? Underground begins with short vowel sound. Carrots grow underground. U says U as a unibike. Where's the unibike? Unibike begins with long vowel sound. Unibike has one wheel. U says U as in unicorn. Where's the unicorn? Unicorn begins with long vowel sound. It looks like a horse, and is a fictitious character. U says U as in Uranus. Uranus begins with long vowel sound. Now everybody, let's read along. Follow me. Umbrella. Next word, under. Next word, underground. Next word, unibike. Next word, unicorn. And last word, Uranus. Very good. Now, spelling was used on this page as well as the cover page. At some point in the lesson, the teacher, me, used spelling to read, spelling to aid in reading. This will help learners begin to read words. This is an important skill to help learners in writing when they are ready to write about certain topics. Now, throughout the lesson, learners were exposed to answering the WH, where, what questions. Learners need to understand and be able to ask and answer the WH questions. This will give them the ability to participate in conversations, tell what they know, and present collective ideas. This is the end of my lesson. Thank you for watching my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and follow my next lesson. High five. Great job. Thumbs up.